What should I do if my brakes freeze while driving in cold weather?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing what to do if your brakes freeze while driving in cold weather. It's important to know how to handle this situation to ensure your safety and the safety of others on the road. So, let's get started.
Understanding the signs of frozen brakes.
Before we dive into the solutions, let's first understand the signs that your brakes may be frozen. If you notice any of the following warning signs, it's likely that your brakes have frozen. 1. Loss of braking power. You may find that pressing the brake pedal doesn't have the usual effect of slowing down your vehicle. 2. Grinding or squealing noises. Frozen brakes can cause grinding or squealing sounds when you apply the brakes. 3. Vibration or pulsation. If your brakes are frozen, you might feel vibrations or pulsations when you attempt to brake. If you experience any of these signs, it's crucial to take immediate action to address the situation.
Steps to take when your brakes freeze.
If you find yourself in a situation where your brakes are frozen, here are the steps you should follow. 1. Stay calm and alert. It's important to stay calm and avoid panicking. Keep your focus on the road and other drivers. 2. Pump the brakes. Try pumping the brake pedal rapidly with short, quick taps. This can sometimes help break the ice and restore braking function. However, avoid slamming the brakes, as this can cause skidding. 3. Shift to a lower gear. If pumping the brakes doesn't work, downshift to a lower gear if you have a manual transmission, or use the L or 2 gear if you have an automatic transmission. This can slow down your vehicle and provide some control. 4. Apply the parking brake gradually. If pumping and downshifting don't help, you can gradually apply the parking brake. However, be cautious when using the parking brake, as it can cause your vehicle to skid or lose control. Apply it gradually and release it if you feel the vehicle starting to slide. 5. Use engine braking. Engine braking involves letting the engine slow down the vehicle instead of relying solely on the brakes. Take your foot off the accelerator and let the engine help in slowing down the car. 6. Find a safe place to stop. Once you've managed to slow down your vehicle, look for a safe spot to pull over. This could be an emergency lane, a parking lot, or the side of the road away from traffic. Avoid sudden stops, as they can be dangerous if your brakes are not functioning properly.
Seeking professional assistance.
After you've safely stopped your vehicle, it's important to seek professional assistance to diagnose and repair the issue with your brakes. Driving with frozen brakes is unsafe, and a professional mechanic will be able to assess the damage and make the necessary repairs. And there you have it. Knowing what to do if your brakes freeze while driving in cold weather is essential for your safety. Remember to stay calm, pump the brakes, downshift, and use the parking brake cautiously. Always prioritize finding a safe place to stop and seek professional assistance to address the underlying issue. Stay safe out there, and thank you for watching.